What? A dessert that is healthy, anti-aging, and with the functions to reduce dark spots? Is it for real? Amazingly, the answer is yes. It is achievable with the help of several traditional Chinese ingredients, including the white fungus and lotus notes. Hello, welcome to or back to the ingredient channel where I share simple and delicious homemade Chinese recipes. In less than 5 minutes, I'm going to share this easy to follow recipe of this amazing dessert. Ready? Let's go. First, introducing the magic ingredient, the white fungus or snow fungus. We need to rehydrate the dried fungus, soak the fungus in cold water for over 2 hours. Then it turns into this large white yellowish flour with a spongy texture. Remove the dark and hard yellow part on the bottom. Separate the fungus into smaller chunks. Thoroughly rinse and set aside. Next, we need a handful of lotus seeds. It is common belief that these dried seeds need to be rehydrated, then pressure cooked, which is not quite true. In fact, I will show you some tricks that can turn these dried seeds into something smooth and soft using a normal pot. In the pot, bring 2 cups of water into a boil. Using boiling water is the first trick. Then toss in the white fungus along with the dried lotus seeds. A few rocky candies, depending on how sweet you prefer, add more or less. Second trick, add a pinch of baking soda, only a pinch. Cover and simmer. For about 45 minutes later, both the fungus and the seeds are very well cooked and turn soft. Add some goji berries, cover and simmer for 1 more minute. Switch off the heat. And then add a can of coconut milk. Time to enjoy. The porridge is light with all the ingredients turned soft and tender. The lotus seeds and the coconut milk give the perfect cake of light sweetness and smoothness to the jelly-like fungus. Quite addictive. Remember to control the portion as it is still a dessert despite the health benefits. And hope you enjoy the recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture and the unique ingredients. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Until next time, happy cooking.